So Timberland gave me an amazing opportunity to go visit their EU headquarters in Switzerland, so let's get into it. About to go get on the plane. I'm gonna sleep the whole journey though, because I've only had 4 hours sleep and I've got such a busy day filming. Touch of your hand makes me tremble with it. Just touched down in Milan, super excited. I'm currently waiting for my taxi right now, and then we're gonna head to the headquarters, which is in Switzerland.
You in UK? Pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Andrea.
Andrea, nice to meet you. Very nice car. How are we doing? Very good.
Yeah, 3 or 4 bottles of Magnum, drank them, now I want ice and cream. Fresh trim and a plain white tee, I paid 24, 8 times free. Man wanna talk, no face, no case, but his phone got prints and a face ID. Been cold, KID, man of my biz like H.
So we've just arrived at the destination and we're now heading to meet the rest of the team.
Good, good. Nice to finally meet you.
Very nice to finally meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I then met the Timberland team as well as the talent, which included me. There was Cheetah, she is a DJ from France, as well as John, who's a creative from Italy. We were then given a huge tour of the VF headquarters. I was so shocked to find out VF owns some of the biggest brands. We have Timberland, North Face, Supreme, Dickies, Napajiri, Vans, Eastpak, and many more. So we just finished having lunch and now we're heading to go get a coffee, and then we're going to meet some of the head of CSV as well as some designers. So after we finished the tour, Timberland had a little surprise for us. Please don't ask again, who's up in the van? They my only fan.
Ring light, Instax still. From the cleaning. Clean these boots up.
Unbelievable surprise. So Timberland just took us into the meeting room and they just gave us all a little gift set. So we got full outfits, we got a ring light, film camera, microphone, power bank. Like honestly, huge thank you to Timberland. The hospitality has been incredible. This was honestly one of those full circle moments. Like back in the day when I was 16 years old, I actually applied for a job at the Timberland store near me to work at that outlet, and I didn't get the job, and I remember being gutted about that. And now to say that from the years of posting on YouTube as well as Instagram and creating fashion content, I am now representing Timberland as the UK ambassador, being sent over to visit their headquarters. Do you know how honestly insane that is? It shows that with hard work, consistency, that you can turn any dream into a reality. So next we had a few presentations educating us on how Timberland are working towards a greener and more equitable future through farming measures and circularity within their products. We then had a FaceTime call with one of the people high up in Timberland, and she educated us all about the volunteer work that they do at Timberland. Like, this was amazing to hear. Every single employee has to do 40 hours of volunteer work. It's all paid, so the company pays the usual wages, kind of like holiday pay, but they make the whole team do something like, I don't know, giving to the homeless, helping in shelters. It was just amazing to see a company having such a good message, and because hearing that made me respect Timberland as a brand so much more, and I feel a lot happier to invest my money and my time into the brand. And it seems like an amazing brand to work for.
We'll take it apart piece by piece, recycling and reusing whatever we can, giving it new life.
For the final part of the tour, we then went to visit the design team. This was definitely my favorite part. They gave us a little presentation showing us the design process, the different materials they use, the innovation they use in their materials.
So, but also like we see the opportunities, and looking at the old band and what can we do actually better, is the fact that we never had a hood 3-in-1. And we really thought that was a really nice detail that we've done in other products before, but never in the Benton. So it's not about remaking the past, it's really about reinterpreting and re-engineering the past, right? So never take it as face value, just go forward.
And it was actually amazing to talk to the people who are in them specific job roles and how passionate they were about like a specific material, about a certain product. They talked to us about some of their previous collaborations, for example, like with Supreme, Mastermind, Beeline, as well as a few upcoming ones which you'll find out in future. And then my favourite part, they showed us around some of their archive. And you lot know I absolutely love my vintage garments.
Look, why you mad? Get to the bag. Long face, duck a case, get the cash. I've been living fast, still far from average. Real talk, all this shit is right outside what I imagine. Young, black and raspy, catch me with a lab. Young nigga make the slap that make her body do magic. Won't stop till my bank account magnets. Looking like I'm still running paper routes backwards. Money bags, no advance, snap back like a rubber band. Pretty thing with a sun.
So after finishing our tour of the VF building, they drove us back to our hotel in Milan.
My only fear of death is reincarnation. I use my last breath to reach the whole nation.
So here's the room.
Spoken words, this composition be my prophecy. I hope it's heard. My only fear of death is reincarnation. I use my last breath to.
We filmed a few extra bits of content for Timberland channel, and then we headed out to a nice dinner with the team.
Be my prophecy. I hope it's heard. Hard words are spoken, many promises broken, as if it's useless to hope. It got me constantly smoking. My role model was a gold bottle.
Day 2 for shooting, super early start, 7 AM. I'm gonna quickly go down and have some breakfast, and then we're shooting at their main store in Milan.
I believe Jehovah Jireh. I believe there's heaven. I believe in war. I believe a woman's temple gives her the right to choose. But
Today's full fit. We've got Tim's on feet, Carhartt double knees, this new vintage wash Timberland sweat, side bag, mini shades. Let's get it. So right now we're heading to the Timberland shop. We're going to be filming some content in store today. Morning.
Ciao.
A full setup. And this is Blackmagic 6K cam. We then filmed some content for Timberland's channels. I absolutely loved working on such a big project with a full team of professional videographers. All of this content will be available to watch soon. Proper setup. We then had the main event, which was a 40-minute interview with Julian, who is the Sustainability and CSR Senior Manager at Timberland. We had to ask him questions from a consumer's perspective to help educate our audience on how Timberland is implementing techniques to become more sustainable.
Very important.
Gotta look good. I think that went well. I think that looked natural.
Yeah.
Finally, we shot a fun little Q&A game with Cheetah and John, and that was a wrap.
I steal Dom's camera. See you guys, this is a robbery. Bye.
Overall, it was an incredible experience. Huge thank you to the Timberland team for making me an ambassador and flying me out. It was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. It's so inspirational to see the process of such a big company, and it's honestly amazing to see that Timberland are heading towards sustainability. The whole trip has just got me so inspired and so motivated to grow my vintage company, to grow my clothing brand, and just to show that how big you can actually take a company like Timberland has been going for over 50 years. Just amazing that would have started as one person and then to grow it into such a bigger thing. And if you did enjoy this vlog, make sure to sign up to the Timberland membership program. They're doing exclusive deals, they have welcome offers, as well as getting invites to exclusive events and in-store experiences. If you enjoyed the video too, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment. I'll see you in the next one.